Today are 10 military survival skills, tips, tricks, and hacks in the dark. Stand by. Out in the wild, whether you're facing a jungle or the concrete jungle, knowing how to survive the night can be the difference between making it home and, well, not making it home. The darkness brings its own set of challenges, but it also offers unique opportunities for those who know how to use it to their advantage. All right, guys, let's dive into these essential nighttime survival techniques. The moon, that big old clock in the sky, has been a companion to humanity for millennia. Its steady presence has inspired myths, guided travelers, and even influenced the tides of our oceans. But beyond its beauty and mystery, the moon can be more than just a pretty face. It's a tool, a natural compass that can help you find your way when all else fails. Imagine being lost in the wilderness with no map, no GPS, and no clear path. The moon, with its predictable patterns, can guide you when you need it most. It's a skill that's been used by explorers, survivalists, and even ancient civilizations. You see, the moon rises and sets just like the sun, but it follows a slightly different schedule. Each night, it rises about 50 minutes later than the night before, and its position in the sky changes as it moves through its phases. Depending on where it is in the sky and how much of it is lit up, you can determine not only the time of night but also your direction. This is because the moon's illuminated side always points toward the sun. For example, if the moon rises before the sun sets, its illuminated side will be facing west. This is a key detail that can help you orient yourself in unfamiliar terrain. On the other hand, if the moon rises after midnight, its bright side will point east. This simple observation can be a lifesaver when you're navigating at night. The moon's phases also play a role. A waxing moon, growing from a crescent to a full moon, will have its bright side on the right. A waning moon, shrinking back to a crescent, will have its bright side on the left. These details can help you track time and direction simultaneously. So, the next time you find yourself under a moonlit sky, take a moment to observe. Remember these simple tips, and you'll always have a direction to head in, no matter where you are. The moon isn't just a celestial body, it's your nighttime compass, always ready to guide you. Fire, it's a lifesaver, but it can also give away your position faster than a beacon. That's where the cat hole cooking method comes in. Dig yourself a small hole, about the size of your cooking pot, and build your fire at the bottom. The hole acts like a natural chimney, channeling the smoke upwards, and it also helps to conceal the light of the flames. Plus, it helps muffle the sounds of cooking. Sound travels at night, especially when you're trying to be quiet. One trick we used was to pull socks over our boots. Sounds crazy, right? But it works. Not only does it muffle your footsteps, but it also leaves a less defined footprint, making it harder for anyone tracking you to get a clear read on your direction or how long ago you were there. Your tracks will appear older, giving you a tactical edge. Checking your map at night can be, well, a dead giveaway. The light from your red lens flashlight, while definitely better than white light, can still be seen from a distance. To create a hasty hide, you can use your poncho and poncho liner as a makeshift tent. Just drape it over some vegetation, crawl underneath, and there you go, you've got yourself a mini darkroom for map consultations. It's quick, it's effective, and honestly, it could save your neck. This little piece of kit, an IR strobe, is a real lifesaver in more ways than one. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile, it's a must-have for anyone venturing into the wild or operating in tactical environments. Whether you're a soldier, a survivalist, or just someone who loves the outdoors, this device can make all the difference when the stakes are high. First off, it can be used for signaling, sending out a coded message that friendly forces with night vision goggles can pick up. Imagine being in a situation where visibility is low and communication is critical. The IR strobe emits a distinct signal that cuts through the darkness, ensuring that your location or message is received without alerting unwanted attention. It's a silent, reliable way to communicate in the dead of night. But its utility doesn't stop there. In a survival scenario, this little gadget can also help you start a fire. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for rescue, and the IR strobe can be a surprising ally in this regard. Just grab some fine steel wool, touch the strobe's contacts to it, and boom, you've got flames. The electrical current from the strobe ignites the steel wool almost instantly, giving you a quick and efficient way to start a fire when traditional methods might fail. It's a clever hack that could save your life in an emergency. It's a small piece of kit, but oh boy, it has a big impact. From signaling in the darkest conditions to sparking a life-saving fire, the IR strobe proves that sometimes the smallest tools can have the biggest impact. Whether you're in the field or the wilderness, this device is a testament to the power of innovation and preparedness. The MS-2000 strobe is, without a doubt, a versatile tool for nighttime signaling. It has both infrared and visible white light settings, which means you can communicate with friendly forces equipped with night vision or in situations where visual signaling is needed. The directional setting is super important too. It helps focus the light and makes your signal easier to spot. Just remember, every flash could be a lifeline, so yeah, use it wisely. Even in the dead of night, you can still navigate with precision using your compass and a little trick called azimuth programming. Without any light to see the compass markings, you can feel your way around the bezel ring. Line up the desired bearing with the luminous marker, and you're set. Even in complete darkness, you'll know you're heading in the right direction. Need to mark a location or send a distress signal that can be seen for miles? Well, the chem light buzzsaw is your answer. Here's what you do. Take a chem light, activate it, and then swing it rapidly in a circular motion. This creates a bright, pulsating light that's really hard to miss. It's a simple but super effective way to signal for help or mark a location for extraction. Taking notes in the dark might seem impossible, but honestly, with the right tools, it's a breeze. You can use illumination paper, which is a special type of paper that glows when you write on it with a pen or pencil. Another great option is acetate and map markers, which allow you to create reusable, waterproof notes. Being able to jot down information, even in the dark, can be crucial for remembering important details and making informed decisions. The military crest, which is the highest point on a hill or ridgeline, might seem like a great place to observe your surroundings. But here's the thing, it's also a surefire way to get silhouetted against the night sky. Instead, stay just below the crest, using the darkness to your advantage. This way, you'll be harder to spot and still have a better vantage point for observing the terrain below. Alright guys, that does it for this video on 10 military survival skills, tips, tricks, and hacks at night. These are skills that have been honed over years of experience and are designed to keep you safe when the odds are stacked against you. From navigating in the dark to staying warm and alert, these tips are essential for anyone who values preparedness. When the sun goes down and the world turns green, everything changes. The forest becomes a different place, full of challenges and opportunities. Nighttime survival requires a unique set of skills, and understanding how to adapt to the darkness can be the difference between thriving and struggling. Remember, these skills aren't just for soldiers. They're for anyone who wants to be prepared for the unexpected. Whether you're an avid hiker, a weekend camper, or someone who simply wants to be ready for emergencies, these techniques can be life-saving. Imagine being caught in a sudden storm or losing your way in the wilderness. Knowing how to build a shelter, start a fire, or find your bearings can make all the difference. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency situation, knowing how to survive the night can make all the difference. It's not just about survival. It's about staying calm, thinking clearly, and using the resources around you effectively. A simple skill like setting up a tent in the dark or lighting a fire with limited supplies can turn a potentially dangerous situation into a manageable one. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this, and it means the world to us. Plus, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future videos packed with tips, tricks, and survival hacks. Seriously, I always appreciate your feedback. Your comments and suggestions help shape the content we create, ensuring it's as helpful and engaging as possible. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. We're always looking for ways to improve and bring you the information you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe, stay aware, and stay alive. Remember, preparation is key, and knowledge is your greatest tool. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just preparing for the unexpected, these skills can make all the difference. See you next time.